What can we include in a prenup?
In a prenuptial agreement, you should address all issues that you would otherwise have to address in the event you got divorced, with the exception of child-related issues. So for instance, you should be talking about whether or not there's going to be the payment of alimony and by whom and to whom, and preferably even in what amounts. What issues are available to be resolved. For instance, assets, liabilities, any marital assets that you want to also be covered by your prenuptial agreement, you can, but typically you're only talking about what's referred to as separate property. That's property that either of you own prior to getting married, and any inheritances that might come to either of you during the course of your marriage. It's really important that you nail out the specifics of what you want to happen with that property, because if you're silent on it, it will follow the prevailing law at the time you get divorced. Regarding children, you can have some general terms about what you think you would like to have happen with children, but a court is not going to be bound by that type of agreement. A court is going to determine the appropriate custodial arrangement, parenting time arrangement in the best interest of your child at the time either of you files in court, and the court is also
In
going to
New
determine
Jersey.
what is the appropriate amount of child support. You do not have a right to contractually agree to those things in advance, and you don't have a right to enforce any agreement you do reach regarding those issues at the time that you file in court.